Hi guys, welcome back to the Resinator. Today I'm going to be making a trinket tray, and this is a mould that I did way back, probably this time last year, and I remembered doing it with Kyle, who was making a guest appearance, and they did it with gorgeous blues and I think it was peaceful glitter, but I thought I'd do it again myself, but with a bit more of a slightly darker moody mood to it. And it is because I've bought this lovely glitter from Create and Bloom called Wicked, and it's like pink and green, and you can see why it's been named Wicked if you are a fan of the film. So I thought that I would do a chuck it all in tray, and I'm going to be using, apart from the Wicked glitter, Hellebore, which is a really gorgeous dark purpley plum colour, Muskmallow, which is a pink, Sherwood, which is green, and then we've got the glitter. So let's move that over for a minute. So I think I'm trying to decide how much of each I want. I think the smaller amount can be for the Muskmallow, because I don't want the whole thing pink. So let's keep that for the glitter. Let's do the Sherwood. Give it a mix. Scrape the stick. And then we're going to do the Hellebore with that one. This is a beautiful colour. And then that one is going to be our Muskmallow. Let's move these up a bit, give myself a bit of space. This last one is going to be for my glitter. How beautiful is that? It's a fine glitter, so I don't know how much it's going to spread about. And what I thought I'd also do is, I've got this secret green, which is an interference powder. I thought I might put a couple of little spots of that in there and blow it across the mould, and then we'll see what that comes out like. When we demold, I'm only going to put little bits on and then blow it. I'm literally just sort of dipping the end of my stick in and then tapping it on. I think that'll do. Okay. So I'm going to move all these over so that I can move this base over. So I'm going to start with some glitter. And then I'm just going to start throwing them all in. So there we go. It's a bit of a mix there, but I'm looking forward to seeing what that comes out like. So I'll see you back for the demold. This is ready to demold now, and just to recap, the colours that I used in this were Hellebore by Create and Bloom. In fact, everything that I've used in this is Create and Bloom. Muskmallow, Sherwood, a little bit of Secret Green, and the glitter that I used was Wicked. So let's give it a loosen off. Now, if I remember rightly, this was a bit of a struggle to get out, and I think it was these bits here. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, now that's lovely. The Hellebore has taken over a little bit, and not much of the Sherwood has come through. There's sort of little bits here and here. You can see the Secret Green that I dropped in there, and you can see a bit of the Muskmallow. That glitter is absolutely gorgeous. I really love that. Really love that. I actually prefer it that way around though. I think it's meant to be that way around. Let's bring it up. That is really lovely. You can just see little bits of the green around the insides of the star, and a little bit there. That's really cool. Really cool. That started to sell a little bit there. That is the Muskmallow, I think. And then you can see the green around the outside. That's lovely. I think next time less glitter. Would I want to put less glitter in though? Because where it's landed actually in the tray part, it's quite pretty. Maybe less Hellebore and a little bit more of the green. I don't know. I really love it anyway because I love purples. That Wicked glitter is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. When you look at it straight down, it looks more purple, but as you tilt it, you can see the colour shifts a bit to more of a rusty colour. It's really lovely. I love that. That's really cool. So if you like what I'm doing, please pop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. It's a couple of little clicks, it's free, and it really helps me grow the channel. Links to everything that I've used in this video will be down in the description, along with my Amazon wish list and the link to buy me a coffee. Below the video there's also buttons to join the channel as a member and the super thanks button, and everything that comes in from all of those goes straight back into the channel. Thank you to all of my members and my subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you. You're awesome, and all that's left to say is thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next one. Take care everyone. Bye.